Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically log into your how to log into your CapCut account using TikTok or Gmail or Facebook, but I'm going to be using TikTok for this one. So go back to homepage if you're on a project. And then to log in, you are going to select the sign in button here. If you haven't really signed in, well, you can just straight away sign in. Actually, you don't have to sign up for anything. It will just connect it to your social media of choice. Just going to select sign in with TikTok. It's going to open this and you're going to just select authorize, which I already did. So I'm just going to select open CapCut and I will be logged on. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you have not done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button also. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.